Hello everyone, welcome to Mockbank, and in this video we are going to solve a question that is very similar to the question that we just solved in the previous video. The only difference is here increment and decrements are interchanged. It says that the population of a village decreases by 10% in the first year and then increases by 10% in the second year. So by what percent the population has finally changed? So there are two methods that we will be discussing in this video. One is AB formula, right? One for sure is AB formula. So in this case, what is A? In case A is given as negative of 10%, because the population is decreasing by 10% in the first year, and by what percent it is increasing in the second year? It is increasing by 10% in the second year. So what is the formula? The formula is A plus B plus AB over 100. So what this is? This comes out as what? Negative of 10% plus 10% times negative 10 times positive 10 over 100%. Can you appreciate that the answer still comes out as negative 1%? So even if there is a decrement of 10% in the first year followed by an increment of 10% in the second year, population will finally decrease by 1%. So we must appreciate that change doesn't matter. If you're increasing it by 10% followed by a decrement of 10%, or you're writing it to be what? You're writing it to be first decrement of 10% followed by an increment of 10%. In both of the cases, the answer is going to be negative of 1%. So how do we generalize this? If a quantity increases by X% and then decreases by X%, the net change is going to be how much? Now you understand what I'm talking about. The net change in that case is going to be negative of x square upon 100%. Right? Another method could be what? If I need to solve this question, I can take population to be anything. I can assume anything, and I should be assuming a convenient figure. So let us assume that the population is 100, isn't it? So in the first year, population is decreasing by 10%, so this becomes what? 99. And in the second year it is increasing by 10%. So what is going to increase by 10%? Not 100, it is 90 that is going to increase by 10%. So how much it becomes? It becomes 99. So can you see that still after 2 years, the population is what? Less by 1%. So there will be a change of negative 1% if there is a decrement of 10% followed by an increment of 10%. Now here in our problem, A and B both are same. You can take it to be different values. You can say that population in the first year is decreasing by 10% and then it is increasing by 20% in the second year. So what is the total change in the population in terms of percentage? Very same, you can take A to be negative 10% and B to be positive 20%, and you can apply AB formula, you will have your answer. The only thing that you needed to understand is you are going to apply AB formula only in the case where successive percentage changes are happening, or if you are more comfortable by taking the value 100, that is very good, but sometimes it may backfire. So I suggest that you should be applying AB formula. The only thing that you have to take care of is, in case of increment, the sign has to be positive, and in case of decrement, the sign has to be negative. These kind of questions will certainly appear in your examination, and you should not be investing more than 5 to 7 seconds to solve such problems. I hope you're getting this. In the next video, we are going to use percentile changes in geometrical figures. And I will also make you realize or understand as to how you can apply AB formula in geometrical shapes as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you still feel that you have got some doubts, please write us at faculty@markbank.com. Bye bye and take care.